What is up, guys? It's Jaden back with another YouTube video, and today we're gonna be today we're camping and we're gonna kick back near the fire and we're fishing. We've got my brothers here, Jackson and Nathan. Nathan's over near the car there, and I hope you guys enjoy the YouTube video.
All right, guys. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to find some good lures for try to catch something out there because none of the other lures are working. So yeah, trying to see if these work, or if they don't, I use maybe this one. I don't know, or this one here.
So we forgot to pack the pan, so now we have to cook our food on that. We're cooking our dinner right now. The sun's just going down, so we're gonna go fishing a bit soon. Hopefully catch some floodies.
Doing, Jaden?
Putting on my boots.
I'm on. Oh! You bloody dog. He dropped it. He dropped it.
Oh yeah, last night was hell fun. It was full on rain and stuff. Oh, we had to pack the chairs away twice because it rains, but then we got them back out. Sat near the fire, had dinner, and then we had chocolate, and yeah.
So since we forgot the pan, we're just gonna have 2-minute noodles for breakfast. Not the healthiest option, but it's the only option. Hey, Jaden?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I'm on.
Guys, so I just been called that my older brother Jackson is on. Hopefully it's good floody, because you know, had 2-minute noodles today for bloody brekkie, and actually they're quite good because we've got a pan. You on? Yep, he's on. Really?
Yep. I think I'll get the award for the world's smallest flatty.
Really?
Yeah.
How small is the flatty?
Small.
Okay. World's tiniest flatty. That is sick.
Can you grab mine? She's a small dog.
Oh, Hey, any flatty's good flatty. Bloody hell, look at that.
So far we've gotten one flatty. Nathan lost a flathead this morning. How you been going, Jaden?
Terrible. I've been getting a ton of bites, nothing.
Ton of bites, nothing. We're just trekking it up through the bush, along the edge, in the water. See if we can't find any more flatties. Boys are looking for a feed. Nathan's been going hard out here, trying real hard to get a flatty.
Yep.
Just can't seem to get one yet. Persistence is the key.
Alright, so this is a baby bream. I'm going to be trying to catch some little baby breams, and then I'm going to try to use them for big fish bait, live bait, and try to catch some bigger flatties. This should be good. Yeah.
So as you can see, we had a bit of a breakthrough there. Nathan finally got his first fish of the day. Well, second fish, because he caught that flatty this morning but he dropped it, so we won't count that one. But we've just been packing up camp slowly.
Yep. I'm gonna go.
Rained all last night, so we had to wait for everything to dry. Over here, still drying out. Nathan's out there just trying to catch little fish. Jaden's had a bit of a swim today, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get up there. It's gonna have a fit. Right, so how you want to catch them is you wanna get a little hook just like this, little tiny hook.
Hang on. Let me just.
See? Oh.
Yep.
And then you want to put just a little bit of bait. Then just leave it out there. Catch this. Alright guys, so we've finished camping. We've packed everything up. Obviously, and the guys are going. We're going to be going to a different fishing spot. We're going to catch some flathead, and yeah, see if we can catch any.
This one?
Saved their ass.
Just saved us. Hard. I had water was leaking in the car and all. Look at it.
Jackson, do you want me to do this up?
Yeah. Water leaking out the car. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But there was definitely a bit there, section there. Well, shitting myself a little bit. That was scary.
Alright guys, we just went through that huge puddle. We got stuck. And look at that. All water through.
It's got this little guy here on the whiting. Nice size. Got this little guy, 30 centimeters, on the sugar pen. Have a look at him there. Take him home and cook him up. Yeah, we'll keep fishing.